I thought it was impossible to make healthy bread that was soft and fluffy inside. But I found a method by which now everyone can make this bread. Look what happened next. Hello dear friends. Today we'll make not just healthy, but very healthy lentil bread. Lentil bread is a nourishing alternative to traditional bread, made without flour or yeast. It is rich in plant-based protein and high in dietary fiber, which supports healthy digestion, promotes long-lasting satiety, and helps maintain stable blood sugar levels. This bread is easy to digest and fits well into a balanced, health-focused diet with a simple, wholesome ingredient list. Feta isn't just a delicious cheese, it also has health benefits. Protein source. Helps maintain muscle mass and promote satiety. Calcium and phosphorus. Strengthen bones and teeth, supporting musculoskeletal health. Probiotics. Traditional feta is fermented, supporting healthy gut flora. B vitamins, especially B12. Important for the nervous system and metabolism. Easier to digest than many hard cheeses. Often suitable for people with sensitive digestion. Fewer calories than most aged cheeses. However, it offers a rich flavor, so less is needed.
Spinach is rich in dietary fiber, vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folate and antioxidants.
It supports healthy digestion, helps maintain strong bones and blood vessels, and protects the body from oxidative stress. Thanks to its low calorie content and high nutrient density, spinach is an easy and valuable addition to a balanced, health-focused diet. And here's our secret ingredient, which we'll use to make airy and tender bread. Carefully and gently fold the whipped egg whites into the dough. After all, our future tasty and healthy bread depends on it. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to subscribe to Gesundes Brot House, give us a like to show your support, and share it with your friends so they can try it too. We'd also love to know where you're watching from. Drop your city or country in the comments, and let's connect. And don't forget to sprinkle with any seeds you like and to your taste, because seeds are rich in beneficial properties. And bake in a preheated oven for 4,550 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, 356 degrees Fahrenheit, until the bread is golden brown and firm to the touch. With this recipe, the bread turns out soft, airy, and fluffy, with little bubbles inside. Be sure to try it and take care of your health. More healthy and delicious videos are coming your way. If you enjoyed this recipe, subscribe to Gesundes Brot House, give us a like to show your support, and don't forget to share this video so your friends can try it too.